Our lesson for today is about synthetic division. So we have an example here. 3x squared plus 7x minus 5 divided by x minus 3. So, ang unang gagawin natin ay isusulat natin lahat ang mga numerical coefficient. Pag sinabi natin numerical coefficient, ito yung mga numbers sa ating given expression. So, we have 3, 7, and negative 5. Of course, we always include the sign. And then, dito on the left side, inside the box, ilalagay natin yung number sa divisor natin. But, the opposite sign. So, since this is negative 3, ang ilalagay natin dito ay 3. Okay? Opposite sign. Then next, maglalagay tayo ng line. Maglilid tayo ng space dito kasi dito natin ilalagay yung imumultiply natin mamaya. Then next, bring down 3. The first letter will always be the first number that we will bring down. And then multiply the number that we bring down to our divisor. So 3 times 3, we have 9. Dito natin ilalagay. And then, 9 plus 7, we have 16. And then, 16 times 3, we have 48. And of course, negative 5 plus positive 48, since this unlike sign sila, so copy the sign of the greater value, which is positive 48, so positive tayo. And then, since unlike, susubtract natin. 48 minus 5, we have 43. So, isusulat na natin ngayon ang ating sagot. So, ang sagot natin dito, paano isusulat? Magle-less tayo ng exponent. Since ito ay squared, ngayon ay x lang. So, paano? Ito yung first term, which is, so if we divide this, the answer is, we have 3x plus 16. Okay, so the last number, since ito ang constant na natin, walang variable, then ito ay ang ating remainder. So, since positive sign siya, so positive din tayo. And then, we have 43 all over ang ating divisor, which is x minus 3. Okay. So, yan ang ating sagot. Okay. So, ganyan lang siya kadali. Ulitin natin. First, isusulat natin ang mga numerical coefficient. And then, yung number sa divisor, kung negative ito, gagawin natin positive. Kung positive naman, gagawin natin negative. And then, the first term, or first number will be bring down, and then multiply to the divisor, and then write it to the next number. And then add, and then multiply. So, it is a cycle. And then, after that, we will rewrite it by reducing the exponent. So, ito na ang outcome. So, ito na ang ating quotient. 3x squared plus 7x minus 5 divided by x minus 3. Okay, so bibigyan ko pa kayo ng iba pang halimbawa. Okay, example number 2. So, gawin natin ulit. Isulat natin ang numerical coefficient ng ating numerator or ang ating dividend. So, pag walang nakasulat, that means 1. So, x cubed, that is 1. Positive 2 or simply 2. 4. And negative 5. Next, gawa ng box on the left. Ang divisor natin is positive 3, kaya ang ating ilalagay dito ay opposite sign niya, negative 3. Next step, make a line and then bring down the first number. So, next, multiply. Positive times negative is negative. 1 times 3 is 3. Then add. In adding unlike sign, copy the sign of the greater value, negative, and then proceed to addition. Or, if unlike sign, subtract. 3 minus 2 is 1. Next, negative times negative, positive. 1 times 3 is 3. Then, 4 plus 3, 7. Then, positive times negative is negative. 7 times 3 is 21. And of course, if we have the same sign, copy the sign and then add the number. 21 plus 5, we have 26. Next, so the answer for this, we have, so this is cube. So, ang gagawin natin, mag-less tayo ng exponent. Ito ay magiging squared na lang. So, x squared. Ang x squared, ibig sabihin may 1 dito. No need to write 1. Next, minus x, kasi 1 siya, plus 7. And, how about this number? This number is our remainder. And how do we write remainder? To write a remainder, whatever the sign is, yun ang ilalagay natin. So, since this is minus, then, lagay natin ang minus sign. Put a line. Copy 26 as a numerator. And our denominator is the divisor. X plus 3. So, this is our answer for x cubed plus 2x squared plus 4x minus 5 all over x plus 3. Okay, so madali lang, di ba? Bibigyan ko ba kayo ng iba pang halimbawa? Okay, so example number 3 we have here. 6x to the 4th power minus 17x cubed minus 20x squared plus 61x plus 10 divided by x minus 5. Again, first step, sulat natin ang numerical coefficient. We have 6, negative 17, negative 20, positive 61, and positive 10. Divided by the opposite sign, negative 5. So, magkakaroon tayo ng positive 5. Make a line. And then bring down the first number. And then next, we're going to multiply the first number to our divisor. 6 times 5, 30. Okay, adding unlike sign, copy the sign of the greater value, positive, and then subtract. 30 minus 17, we have 13. Next, 13 times 5, we have 65. And then adding unlike sign, copy the sign of the greater value, and then subtract. So it is positive, since positive ang mas malaking number, which is 65. And then 65 minus 20, we have 45. Next, 45 times 5, we have 225. Then, adding like sign, copy the sign, and then add. So, 61 plus 225, we have 6, 8, 2. 286. Next, 286 times 5, we have 0, 3, 4, and 1. And plus 10, they are the same sign. They have the same sign, I should say. So, 10 plus 1,430, we have 1,440. Okay, that's it. Then after that, we're going to write the quotient by how? Using these numbers as numerical coefficient, and let's change or less one of the exponent. Okay, so we have now 6x cubed plus 13x squared plus 45x plus 286. And then, this will be our remainder. So, how to write a remainder again? Copy the sign, make a line. This will be the remainder will be our numerator. So, 1440 all over our divisor. X minus 5. Okay, guys. So, that's all for today. I hope you learned something from our lesson today about synthetic division. Thank you for watching.